Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform soft reset for your headphones Baseus Bowie H1. And firstly we need to turn off your headphones. To do this, at the right ear cup we have multifunctional button between volume up and volume down buttons, and you just press and hold this button. Here we go, we have the red LED light, so we just turn off these headphones and it disconnected. We can check it if you have iOS. At the device list right here we have information there's no connection. If you have Android, it will move from My Devices to Save Devices, and also meaning that your headphones are disconnected. Now we need to turn on these headphones, so press and hold multifunctional button again. And again we can check by the LED light. Here we go, I just turn on it, and now these headphones should reconnect with my phone. Okay, you don't want this time reconnect automatically, so if you have the same problem, just tap at your headphones at the device list. And we have connection. If you have Android, it will move from Save Devices to My Devices. And with this method you can fix a lot of small trouble with your headphones. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!